Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English dialogue for Class 8. Begin by carefully reading the dialogue to grasp its overall meaning. Identify any new vocabulary or challenging phrases. Focus on understanding the context and the relationship between the speakers. This foundational step ensures you build a strong base for effective learning. Next, engage actively with the material. Read dialogues aloud, paying attention to your pronunciation and intonation. Listen to native speakers to grasp the natural rhythm of English conversations. A great tip is to record yourself speaking and then compare it to the original. This helps you identify areas for improvement and build confidence. Now, it's time to put your learning into practice. Role-play dialogues with a friend or classmate to simulate real conversations. Try creating your own short dialogues based on everyday situations. Most importantly, make an effort to use the new vocabulary and phrases you've learned in your daily English interactions. Consistent application is key. Finally, continuous review and refinement are essential. Regularly revisit dialogues that you found challenging. Don't hesitate to ask your teacher or a fluent speaker for feedback on your pronunciation and fluency. Keeping a dedicated vocabulary notebook for new words and expressions will also significantly aid your long-term retention and improvement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.